Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Man, it's been a minute since we've done anything to the Civic, and so I figured right now is a good time to go ahead and install these side skirts. Woo. If y'all remember, a while back I got this rear end conversion which came with the side skirt, and the side skirts were supposed to be the first thing I installed, but I got carried away and did the rear conversion instead. And after seeing Vic Wavy install his Type R side skirts, it inspired me to want to go ahead and install mine. Shout out to Vic Wavy for inspiring me to go ahead and get my side skirts installed. If you guys want more Civic content, be sure to check out his channel and give him a follow. Alright, so this is my dilemma. This is the reason why I haven't installed the side skirts. See, there's nothing right here, no mounting holes or brackets. Well, these side skirts have these brackets right here, so you could like slide it on to the body and mount it. And the way you would install these is with some OEM Honda brackets. You would have to drill holes into the side of the car, and I don't really feel like doing all that. And so the alternative route would be to use double-sided tape all along this side skirt. But again, after seeing Vic Wavy do his install, I was like, you know what, man, I can knock this out real quick. So I'm gonna get these cleaned up real quick, double-sided tape, and proceed with the install. Alright, it's about that time. I got my lovely assistant over here. We drinking at 11 a.m.
It's not even 11 yet.
Oh, alright, it's almost 11 a.m. Alright, so yo, check this out. I just realized this, but at the back of the side skirt, it has this little mounting bracket. So it goes to like a jack point. I don't know if you can see it, but it'll hold on to here. So I'm thinking I don't really need too much double-sided tape. I'll probably put like a little strip up here just so it'll look flush. And up here, I got these screw holes right here, so I guess I don't need to go ham on that. But shoot, let's go put this on. Damn, look at that. It comes out like what, like half an inch? No, it comes out about an inch, yo.
Actually, doesn't look bad. Like,
what, keeping it white?
Yeah.
Now I just need a front white lip. I didn't think that these side skirts would be that noticeable, but I mean, yeah, for sure, with it being white, of course they pop out. But they definitely like poke out a lot more, and I think they look good. Yeah, it just convinced me that they don't look bad at all white. So I might run it like this for a little bit, cause it's gonna save me some time from wrapping them. But yeah, we got the whole white rear end, white side skirts, got a white front lip coming in. Nah, I don't have a front lip coming in, but that would be nice though. But yo, honest opinion, what do y'all think about the side skirts? Give this video a thumbs up for a like, and if you don't like it, give it a thumbs up anyways. And you know what? Comment down below if you don't like it. Tell me how you really feel. Yeah. But the Civic does look really aggressive now. It's just missing that front lip. Alright, well that's enough of the Civic for now. LJ and I are gonna grab some CC's pizza. Yay! See y'all in a bit.
3 days later.
Yo, it's been a few days and I'm pretty tired of the white side skirts now. They do pop out and they are like, notice me senpai. But yo, I think we can all agree that the side skirt's gonna look a lot better if it's blue, just like the whole front end. Plus, I finally do have some wrap coming in for the Prelude. So, I'm pretty hyped, and that's kind of why I wanna go ahead and wrap the side skirts on the Civic. That way both cars will look pretty complete. So for those of you who've been waiting on the Prelude to be wrapped, the day has finally came. But it'll be in a different video. But shoot, man, let's go ahead and knock these side skirts out, and we'll get some cinematics on how it looks. Oh yeah! All right, and we are done. Woo! Dang, it's invisible, man. You can't even see that side skirt. Nah, I'm just kidding, man. I wish it was that easy. Yo, after so long, after a bunch of hours and hard labor, sweat, and tears, we're finally done. The Civic looks really good. A lot better. I'm glad we decided to wrap it, man. Yo, for real though, these side skirts came out really nicely. I learned a lot just vinyl wrapping these side skirts alone. Yeah, they might be flat, but I learned how to tuck the vinyl into these little curves and crevices without having to stretch it too much. Because before, I'd have to heat up the vinyl and really pull and whatnot. But then I finally realized how to like make the film relaxed and just lay it naturally without having to use heat. So by wrapping it this way, the vinyl wrap should last a lot longer and it shouldn't crinkle up in the heat. Cause y'all know that Texas weather don't play. I mean, you can probably tell right now I'm sweating, and it ain't even that hot right now. But yo, the Civic's definitely come a long way. If you guys remember how it looked stock, man, it looks way different. I think right now the only thing I'm missing is the front lip, and we do need to lower the Civic some more, and I think it'll look perfect. We could always get wheels later, but yeah, we just need the front lip, lower it, and man, it's gonna be looking right. But alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Sorry I haven't been posting too much Civic content. A lot of stuff just came up on the Prelude, and you know, it's kind of hard to have two project cars. But yo, let me know what you guys want to see next. I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah!